Hi, I'm Nicole with YCharts, and today I'll be showing you how our fund screener tool can easily communicate visual investment insights for your clients. YCharts Fund Screener is an incredibly powerful tool. It's going to allow you to take a look at our entire fund universe, which is about 80,000 securities. And from there, you can start screening down that list based on the competitive landscape you're hoping to analyze. We can take things a step further by adding in specific metric filters. So maybe you're looking for a specific percentile or rank. We can certainly jump into things by building out an example looking at expense ratio. If we're looking for funds with a low expense ratio, we can set that range to be between 0.01% and 0.23%. Once we click submit, all of those funds that populate below are going to fall within that range we set. If you're satisfied with what you've built out, you can go ahead and save this down. And the great thing about this is that once you save the screener, you're able to hop back into it to make changes at a later time or pick up right where you left off. We can also go ahead and share this with your team. So this is a great collaboration feature, and it really allows your colleagues to not have to reinvent the wheel every time they want to build out something great within YCharts. We also have a series of pre-saved templates that are very helpful if you're looking for a nice jumping off point. So let's scroll down to this best performing large cap funds template and hit start. You'll see that all of this criteria that's been set is customizable. So if we click the pencil icon, we can make any changes, or we can delete it entirely by clicking that X. And when we scroll down to the table, it's all ready to go for your analysis.